what's up, guys? So on today's episode, we're going to finish assembling this 5.3, 4.8, 5.3 LS motor. So I have everything in the works. I have my power steering pump accessory bracket, which I will be showing y'all something neat in a later video on this that I'm planning on doing. I have the last little bit of stuff for the components, my core packs, my LS6 plugs, and my LS6 injectors is over there. They're 80-pound, and I got a bunch of bolts and screws. But what I am going to do right now, even down to the truck manifold, what I am going to do is take this truck manifold for right now and slash the water pump that I got over on the floor, and this bolted up to this thing for right now. So yeah, I'm going to do that, but we're going to have to install these string in all these rods and stuff that I got in the bucket here. So I'll show you how I did the other side. I already did one side of this. I'm going to show you how I did this. Alright, so first you want to take like some type of lubricant. I'm using Vaseline. You want to take it and put it on the end of your rods. Just swirl it around in it like so. I guess it'll burn off. Pop it down in the hole like so. And you want to do that straight across, all the way across. You don't have to put a lot on here. Just put enough just to get things started. Next, you want to take like a little soft hammer and gently tap down on them. It should pop in a little bit more. Some of them you can probably do by hand, but as you can see, that is a no bueno. Okay, that one fell. Now you want to take this training upgrade that you did so marvelous as you did and lay it on here gently. So line it up. Do this the best way I can, guys. Alright guys, so what I do want to show you guys is you want to make sure when you put this in, that this push rod is lined up with the back of this, and make sure it's connected onto the back of it like so. Like that wasn't in, that's not in, and all these look like they're all in. Alright, then next you want to take, with this specifically kit, a 5/16 and hand tighten all this down first. So the way I like to do it, I like to start on my outers and work my way in. So you hand tighten it first. Now what I did off camera, which I didn't tell you guys, but I wouldn't recommend you doing it, is I use my Milwaukee tool gun, and I wouldn't recommend, I mean, unless you're going to use that after you get it in here tightened down, then you want to do it. So I'm going to do it every other one. What's up? So I basically just went ahead and put the rails on. You want to make sure, like I said, that the rod pins in the back here are on the back of this Tringian upgrade, and you want to, after that, hand tighten all these down, torque them down to 22 foot-pounds of torque, spin the motor, and then retorque them to make sure they're down to 22 pounds of torque, because I think they come loose after like the first spin or whatever. So that's what you want to do for your first go around with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the valve cover on now, And then this will end this portion of my build. I can move forward with putting on the intake manifold. Alright, so now since I got the valve cover put on here, I'm now going to move on to this plate. It's going to take about 10 screws on both sides with a gasket. So you put on there. Yes, I will let you guys know now, I do not have my O2 NOx sensors. So the ones I do previously have are my old ones. And as of right now, I'm not reusing them because they already broke off. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is get the gasket, put it on here. So here goes the gasket. I don't think these are the rubber garments. Oh well, I'm gonna have to probably order some of these too that went down here. So, cause I don't see them with this kit. So as of right now, I will be reordering that. Let me take this tape off of here. And so you want to take a hammer and lightly tap this thing down. Guys, so I'm not even gonna worry. I know where the bolt's at for this. Down here on the oil pan, cause I used the wrong oil pan bolt. So yeah, boy messed up again. Woohoo! But let me see. Yep, it's 10 millimeter. I will be taking these off again, so I don't gotta worry about that. So this will let you guys know I am aware that the cooling lines that go right here, I will not be putting that on here right now. I'm thinking about ordering some other ones just because I think I'm missing the bolts in the back here. So if I'm missing it, I'm not going to even try to worry about trying to get them bolts and stuff put on. So next is going to be the sensor for your NOx sensor. So I'm just gonna put it on there for right now, and I'll order a new one of these because I'm not too good. I'm not really sure how good these connections are, and as you can see, it's already trying to come up with the rest of the motor. Like it doesn't even stay flush down on there anymore. So yeah, all right. Then after I add that, next is going to be finally the intake manifold. Alright guys, so on these intake manifolds, I think once you pull them off, you got to replace this. So what I'm going to do is take off, it's like clips on the side here. You just take off this gasket, and I got a new one. So take that, throw it to the side. The new one's over in the box. But while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and clean that up. So it's only going to take a quick second. Alright guys, so I went ahead, I installed this intake manifold. Is on both sides. I did these bolts right here with the 5/16. Just torque them down. You should be good to go. On that note, see, I'm still fiddling around to see what's what. As far as like hoses and stuff, I'm not too worried about. I mean, the way I look at it, this is going to be some type of oil hose. So just got to find a small little skinny hose. I believe this right here goes to my water pump. There's another hose on the other side, which I'll show you guys. I'm still trying to figure out what this hose goes to, but I have no clue for right now. I'm just gonna put that right there for right now. As you can see, this side is buttoned down too. I just snug this hose up on here. I think this goes on to my water pump. I think this hose right here goes to my master cylinder. And this one right here goes to my AC line. So I'm not gonna worry about that too much. Like I said, let me get ready to back this thing up a little bit. Get the water pump, put that on here. And alright guys, so I'm just turning you guys back on. I was gonna put the water pump on here, but I'm starting to have mixed feelings. I'm thinking about just covering up these holes and putting this accessory pump on here. Nah, better yet. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any of them on for this video because I really just want to go ahead and put on the water pump that I want and whatnot. And this accessory pump I got to cut up and get ready for the next installment. So you guys, hopefully y'all like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. I can't say it enough. So I hope you guys like the video for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment. See you guys in the next episode of Low&Slow Garage. Peace, guys.